APC PS. So before you start it, you make sure all the voltages are okay. The input voltage, you on your stabilizer that you are using to protect it. So the input cable is connected. Input cable is connected. What's the voltage? 221. So after that, this is battery connector. You remove it, because if you don't remove it, you will complain of low battery. So you remove this and you fix it inside. You fix it inside. So after you fix it, then you can now put on your input voltage, input breaker. The batteries are located inside the machine, so you can screw this place to get the batteries out. After putting on the breaker, it will come to normal by itself, or you can put it on by yourself by double pressing this. Come online by itself. That's it. It's online. Then the machine is now working okay. So let's test the output voltage. That's the output voltage. 229. We have to test it. Output voltage. Now 228. So it's okay. So all the inputs is shown. So the input is off. So it's backing up. Test the output voltage. No. Okay. The output voltage is still 220. It's backing up. So that's it. Powering of 10 kV auxiliary lever type 10 kV. I have to test the voltage and I'll check the voltage, the input voltage. That will be sure of. Okay. Let's meter. What is the voltage there? What is the voltage there? It's 235. 235. Yeah. Okay. Let's on the inputs. Now we have to test 2. Let's test the TV. Can bring the camera. This step up. Point. That's how many volts? How many volts?
That's 230.
224, and the step down voltage is 111 volts. That is double terminal, double output terminal.